Good day, good love, and good light, illuminators and way showers, guardians and angels of Gaia. Thanks for joining us once again. Wendy and Dave here. And as we express our highest joy and excitement in our gardening experience, we wanted to share just a little bit. The last couple of days, we've been following the Farmer's Almanac and have been planting like crazy. And we wanted to get our peppers off to a faster start. And so Dave was doing a little bit of reading, research, and discovered that one of the ways that you can accelerate your seedlings, your specifically peppers in this case, and these are all hot peppers. So to accelerate our seedling process, he found that soaking the seeds over for 24 to 48 hours in chamomile tea was beneficial. And so I just wanted to kind of give you guys a colorful little display here. And we're going to actually plant these in the garden today because today is also another planting day. And it's been raining on and off. So we're excited to also be filling our rain barrels. So we'll be sharing that with you here as well. So we've got some beautiful organic hot peppers. And I just happen to have some chamomile tea here. And so we just brewed a little and they've been soaking overnight. And we're ready to put them in the garden. And we also have been very busy rescuing perennials from the garden center that were on clearance. And so we've been digging lots of holes and rescuing plants so that they can be free and grow. So it's been a very, very busy and exciting week. So glad to get some rain finally here in Alabama. It's been, about 5-6 weeks. Yeah, so we're getting to see how our rainwater retention harvesting is coming along. So we'll share that with you as well. So anything else there, Dave?
No, I think we're excited to get these peppers planted as soon as possible. We were looking for hot peppers locally, seed by seed, and couldn't really find any, so we had to order some. But we did find some habaneros already grown.
Another one that was on clearance at the
it was like $2
at the supply for the first 6 plants. So we did get some. It's these orange.
That was at the Piggly Wiggly.
The grocery store. Yes, that's right. That's right.
One
little lonely plant left. One little tray of 6 plants, and so So we've already planted those, and
so these are going in the ground as seeds, and we're pretty excited to see them sprout, and we will share our fun experience with you all.
So thanks all for joining us once again in our journey of joy. And remember that the word journey begins and ends with the word joy. So spread your personal language of light, whatever excites you in every single way, to discover more and more of your own multidimensionality. For the more that you know thyself, the more all that is knows itself through you. So thanks again for being you, and we'll talk real soon. Love you all. Miato veshise te amaraki mali tavasa naniana. Miato. Malhala.